Welcome to our guide on how to allow adding to a team from people you follow on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's go through the steps together. Begin by visiting your Twitter account on your PC. Click or tap on your profile icon, then select Settings and Privacy from the menu. Next, navigate to Privacy and Safety within the Settings options. Under the Privacy section, locate the setting that says, "Only allow people I follow to add me to their team," and ensure it is selected. By following these steps, you can control who can add you to their team on X, Twitter, by limiting it to only those you follow, enhancing your team collaboration experience. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to allow adding to a team from people you follow on X, Twitter, on PC. Customize your team settings on Twitter to streamline collaboration with those you follow, ensuring a more targeted and meaningful team interaction. Enjoy building and engaging with teams on Twitter within your trusted network of followers.